Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is, of course, Greenland. Regardless of how it works out and who owns Greenland, it is strategic to the global supply chain. There are three key reasons. Number one is it provides additional routes from Asia to Europe and the Atlantic that are shorter and avoid critical choke points such as the Panama Canal and Suez Canal. Number two, it provides the ability to have a strategic location for defense. That allows for the Golden Dome, which is a layered air and missile defense shield. And it also allows to mitigate some modern weapons, such as hypersonic. Number three is that it does contain one of the largest undeveloped rare earth elements outside of China, required for pretty much everything. So what should we be thinking about? Actually, I think a key thing is to think about suppliers versus strategic partners versus vertical integration. How much control do you need over your material or components or your rare earths? How much control do you need? Do you want to modernize or do you need to modernize? How do you produce them at scale? How do you expand? And what is needed to make that happen? So much to think about. Join us next week with our next Supply Chain Byte.